Welcome back to Soft Computing series. This video covers second example of rule-based fuzzy implication. Let's begin. Given example is define two universe. Two universes given X and Y. Let two fuzzy sets are given W and M on universe X and one fuzzy set on the output universe Y. So S is another fuzzy set given on universe Y. So we have to calculate if W then S complement equals to W implication S complement equals to fuzzy set W Cartesian product S complement union W complement Cartesian product Y. So we have to solve only first rule based of fuzzy implication. So it is given in the question that you have to calculate W implication S complement, calculate W Cartesian product S complement union W complement Cartesian product Y. Let's begin. So here we'll calculate step by step. First step we'll calculate first part, that is W Cartesian product S complement. Then second step we'll calculate this part W complement Cartesian product Y, and third step final we will calculate, that is the final result set. Let's get started and solve the first step. For the first step we will need S complement. So let's calculate S complement. So the complement of S will then be S complement equals to, so for this consider S set. So this is the S set. So to calculate complement, -1 from each element of S set. Let's get started and calculate complement. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. Then for the next element, 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1 upon 150 plus 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is S complement we calculated now. Now let's calculate the first step, that is W Cartesian product S complement. So for this first already we calculated S complement just now. So for this consider W set and S complement set. So write W set in column vector form: 1, 0.9, 0.3, 0 and lastly 0. So this is W matrix of size 5 into 1, 5 row and 1 column. Now let's write S complement this set: 1, 1, 0.5, 0.1 and 0. So this we have written in row vector form of size 1 into 5, that is 1 row and 5 columns. So the final result matrix of this first step will be 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So in my previous videos I have already shared and explained how to calculate the final result matrix size, that is what will be the size of the final result matrix. Do watch my previous video. So now let's consider first element of this matrix and compare with each element of this matrix and select minimum to find Cartesian product. Let's start. 1 and 1 minimum is 1. Next element 1 and 1 minimum is 1. Compare elements and select minimum. 1 and 0.5 minimum is 0.5. 1 and 0.1 compare, minimum is 0.1. 1 and 0 compare, minimum is 0. Now this is the first element. Now for the second, this is the first row. For the second row, consider second element of this matrix, 0.9, and compare with each element of this matrix and select minimum. Let's start. 0.9 and 1 minimum is 0.9. 0.9 and 1 minimum is 0.9. 0.9 comparing with these three elements, minimum will be 0.5, 0.1 and 0. Write it over here. So this is second row. For the third row, select third element of this matrix, 0.3. Compare with all these elements. After comparing 0.3 with first three elements, 1, 1, 0.5, minimum is 0.3. Write 0.3, 0.3 and 0.3 on the first three places. Now for rest elements, 0.3 comparing with 0.1, minimum is 0.1. 0.3 comparing with 0 is 0. This is the third row. Now for the next row, select 0 and compare with all these elements. Comparing with all these elements, minimum will be 0. So write on all places 0, 0. Now for the last row, select the last element of this matrix 0 and compare with all the elements of this matrix. So here minimum is 0. Write on all places 0, 0. So this is the result matrix of W Cartesian product S complement. That is the first step of the question. Now let's calculate the second part, that is the W complement Cartesian product Y. For this we will need W complement. Now let's calculate W complement. Consider W set which is given in the question. So to calculate this, first we will calculate W complement. W complement is equals to 1 minus mu W of x, that is minus 1 from all the elements of W set. Let's start and calculate W complement. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1, 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7, 1 minus 0 is 1. For the last element, 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is W complement set containing all the elements. Now let's calculate W complement Cartesian product Y. For this, consider W complement set and Y set. Write W complement set in column vector form, that is 0, 0.1, 0.7, 1 and 1. So this is W complement matrix of size 5 into 1. Now Y matrix which is not given, consider Y matrix as whole relation which contains all elements 1. This is of size 1 into 5, that is 1 row and 5 columns. Now let's calculate W complement Cartesian product Y. Select first element of this matrix and compare with each element of this matrix and select minimum for Cartesian product. Let's begin. 0 after comparing with all these elements, minimum will be 0. Write 0 on all places. For the second element, 0.1. Compare 0.1 with all these elements. Minimum is 0.1. Write 0.1 on all places. Next element, third element 0.7. Comparing 0.7 with 1. Minimum is 0.7. Write on all places 0.7. Next 1. Comparing with all this 1. Minimum is 1. Write 1 on all places. Last element 1. Compare with all this 1. Minimum is 1. So this is final result matrix of size 5 into 5. So this is second step. We calculated W complement Cartesian product Y. So for this question, to find our relation, we calculated W Cartesian product S complement, and second step we calculated W complement Cartesian product Y. Now for the final R result, consider for the final result R relation W Cartesian product S complement matrix, and for this consider W complement Cartesian product Y. This one, consider this matrix, write it over here. Consider this two matrix, compare, take union, that is select max element. Compare each row of both the matrix and select max element. Compare first row of this matrix and first row of this matrix. Max is all these elements 1, 1, 0.5, 0.1 and 0. Write it over here. Now for the second row, select this row and this row. Compare and select max. Max is 0.9, 0.9, 0.5, 0.1 and 0.1. Write all the max elements here. Now for the third row, select third row of this matrix and third row of this matrix. Compare and select max. Max will be 0.7. Write 0.7 over here. Next for the fourth row, compare 0 with all these 1 elements. After comparing, max is 1. Write max 1, all elements over here. Now for the last row, compare last row of this matrix and last row of this matrix. Compare and select max. Max is 1, 1, 1. So this is the final R relation matrix of size 5 into 5. So we calculated this question in 3 steps. First step was W Cartesian product S complement. Second step was W complement Cartesian product Y matrix. And final R relation, we calculated union of both these. So this video covers If W, then S complement equals to W implication S complement equals to W Cartesian product S complement union W complement Cartesian product Y. So this was all about rule based fuzzy implication. Stay tuned for more videos on fuzzy systems. Share with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.